A surprise trip to Disney? Go for it. A surprise move away from the kids' neighborhood that they love? Might not be such a fun surprise. Hi, I'm Gina Walton with the Walton Home Team of Keller Williams, and let's talk about selling your home and moving with kids. Here are my 5 do's and don'ts. First, don't make it a surprise. Be transparent as early as possible to answer all of their questions openly and honestly. Second, do let your kids see the new home. If possible, arrange a friendly tour with friends before the moving day to let them explore every part and feel equally as excited that they have a new room in this new home. Third, don't expect them to be good little helpers on moving day. The truth is that having them around may add to your stress. So you might want to arrange for your children to have a special day with friends and family on the day of the move and even possibly the day before. You'll be way more relaxed knowing that your little ones are having a blast. Fourth, do set aside their favorite things. Welcome your kids home with all their favorite stuffed animals, yard toys, and even for the older kids, the new Wi-Fi password and gaming set. Unpack the kids' rooms first, and they'll certain to have a place to play while you finish up unpacking the rest of the home. And fifth, do plan for meals on moving day. Moving is hard, and you don't want to make it worse by overlooking meals. Just order takeout before your move to be delivered early in the day, long before your kids get hungry or hangry. Have your move with your kids before? Did you have something you'd add? We would love to hear your comments on what makes moving more fun for kiddos. Just comment below. And as always, subscribe for more of our fun Kansas City neighborhoods, moving tips, and Kansas City businesses in the link below for our monthly newsletter.